try natin to. L is all over you. Admin. O is all anyone I see. V is very, very Axoconomeris. E is very, very Axoconomeris. E is in it the morning. Anyone I love you, feel. Anyone like you, one this way. Ay lang. Good night. I love you, 8. Kuruk. Okay, eto magpapahula ako. Anong letter ito? Tahig-tahig Mami A siya. Okay, may nakahula na. Tsaka eto, anak siya ni A. Ayan, baby A daw, sabi. So B, ano siya, mommy o daddy? Ay, baby. Mommy, okay. Eto. Yan. Tapos ito. C.